Thermocouple. Heat-resistant tube. Nut. Screw. Nut for securing the protective cover. Protective cover. First, screw the brass-colored nut onto the thermocouple. Approximately halfway, then insert it into the hole and check whether it extends beyond the burner hole. If it extends beyond the burner hole, it is correct. Then rotate the other brass nut to secure it. The tip of the thermocouple must extend beyond the burner hole. Now we assemble the protective cover. Insert the 2 screws through the protective cover. Tighten the 2 nuts at the bottom. Use a wrench to secure them. Install the heat-resistant tube and secure it.